Hey friends, in this video I will show you my top 4 side hustles for students to earn some money on the side. Welcome back to my channel, I'm Maxi and here we talk about the tips and tricks for improving your life as a student. So let's get into the 4 side hustles, and just to mention it, I did not put them in any particular order. Side hustle number 1 is content creation. So this is something you just see right now as I'm creating some content on YouTube. But of course, you do not have to do it on YouTube. You can also start a podcast, start a blog, start a newsletter, whatever you like. Of course, this will take some time to really make money from that, but you are not tied into any working hours, and you can also be pretty creative and just create content about whatever you like to create content about. So you're also very freely in what you actually do. So I think this is a great side hustle for every student. So point number 2 is tutoring. So tutoring, and especially online tutoring, is great, and it's also something I do. And there you just help some younger students in specific school subjects like math, English, whatever they need help in. And I think it's a great side hustle as you can do it completely from home with online tutoring. And there's also something better to it than only the money component, as you also revise all those topics you once had in school. Because when you want to explain those topics to your younger students, you also really have to understand those, and then you might revise them. And this is, in my opinion, a great way to refresh some of the knowledge you once learned in school, but might have already forgotten, or just you do not think about anymore. So this is also a great component of tutoring, in my opinion. And another point is that you probably heard about that when with studying or understanding, the final step is teaching. So when being able to teach a topic, or when teaching a topic, you make sure that you actually understood this one. When teaching a topic you once learned in school, now with tutoring you can be pretty confident that you actually understood it, and you will also remember it a lot better. So side hustle number 3 is giving lessons, and that might sound pretty similar to the tutoring side hustle, but it's actually not focused on school subjects, but rather on hobbies. So you might give some sports lessons or some music lessons. So you, for example, give tennis lessons or piano lessons and things like that. And this is also a great side hustle, in my opinion, as you usually give lessons in your hobby. So you give lessons in something you're really passionate about and you just love to do, and you're also usually pretty good at. And when you're passionate about it, you are likely to have a lot of fun in these lessons, and you're also likely to be a pretty good teacher. Last side hustle number 4 is freelancing. And it's the one of the 4 that is the most similar one to a real job, I'd say. But it's a great way to earn money with skills you already have. You could, for example, do coding or photo editing, video editing, design, and lots of other things by freelancing. And if you're very good and you really enjoy it, you can actually make quite a lot of money by freelancing. But you also have to deal with all the requirements of your customer, and you also have to deliver in time to get a good review. So freelancing is definitely not that flexible and not that free as the other 3 ones. But if you enjoy what you do, then you can, and you're really good at what you do, you can actually do quite a lot of money by freelancing. So it's also not a bad option. Were already my top 4 side hustles for you as a student to earn some money on the side while being pretty flexible and also expanding your own skill set. And if you like this video, you might also want to check out my video about the best personal finance tracking app called Finanzguru to manage all your incomes from your future or current side hustle. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel to not miss out on future videos. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.